Welcome to my channel. Today we will be talking about Is Goodbudget Premium worth paying for? Goodbudget is a digital envelope budgeting app designed to help you divide your income into specific spending categories. The free version of Goodbudget is quite popular, but it comes with strict limits, including a cap of 20 total envelopes, one single bank account, and zero automatic bank syncing, meaning every transaction must be entered by hand. Upgrading to Goodbudget Premium costs around $10 per month or $80 if you pay for the annual plan. For that price, the premium tier unlocks automatic bank transaction importing through Plaid, unlimited regular and annual goal envelopes, unlimited accounts, and support for up to 5 devices. It also extends your transaction history storage to 7 years and adds direct email support. Whether the premium subscription is worth your money depends entirely on how you like to budget. If you are comfortable manually tracking your spending and your finances fit cleanly within the limits of the free tier, paying for the upgrade is unnecessary. However, if manual entry causes you to fall behind or abandon your tracking habits, the automatic bank sync feature is usually the main justification for opening your wallet. Compared to heavy-hitting alternatives like YNAB or Monarch Money, Goodbudget Premium sits at a slightly lower price point, while keeping its core focus entirely on envelope tracking rather than broad investment management or net worth calculations. If you manage a household budget with a partner and rely heavily on seamless bank syncing to keep your categories accurate without data entry fatigue, the subscription delivers solid value. If you just want basic digital envelopes and do not mind logging your receipts manually, stick with the free version. With that being said, thank you for watching. For more finance videos, kindly check my page. Please like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.